Uh-oh, looks like someone didn't nail this Polygel application. Follow these breezy steps for a pro-level Polygel extensions. Prep your nails. Remove cuticles, apply base coat, and cure it. Squish out the Polygel and put it on your nails or slice tiny Polygel pearls and gently place them. Pick the right size nail from the Polygel mold extension set and press it over the Polygel pearl. Using a liquid slip solution and spatula or nail brush, remove any excess Polygel from the sides of your nails. Then gently onto the nail mold to create the perfect shape. Cure your nails with a LED or UV lamp from both sides to strengthen them perfectly. Remove the Polygel nail mold and for a professional finish do the next. Apply a Polygel pearl near the cuticle section of your nails and using your brush with liquid slip solution add an extra layer. Stretch that Polygel all the way to the tip of your nail for a profesh finish and then cure it. Shape your nails using your file, tidy up with alcohol, top coat it, and voila perfect nails extensions.